Good morning, children. Today we will learn our third chapter in mathematics. How much can you carry? Before we begin the chapter, you have to recall your previous knowledge on heavier and lighter objects that you have learned in class 1. Let us we start our lesson with some examples. Example 1. Heavier or lighter? Look at the pictures. There is an apple. There is also a watermelon. Among the two pictures, which picture is heavier? Yes, the watermelon is heavier than the apple. In example 2, look at the picture. There is a key and there is also a lock. Which picture is heavier? Yes, the lock is always heavier than the key. Now example 3. There is a jar and also there is a glass. Which is heavier? Yes, the jar is always heavier than the glass. Now it's the time to find out which is lighter. Among the bicycle and the car, which one is lighter? Yes, the bicycle is always lighter than the car. There are two containers in which we keep water or we store water. There is a drum and there is also a bucket. Which is lighter? Yes, a bucket is always lighter than the drum. That's why we can carry the bucket easily. Which is lighter among the feather and a gift box? Yes, the feather is always lighter than the gift box. Now it's the time to again find the lighter object. Who is lighter among the horse and a dog? Yes, a dog is lighter than the horse, or we can say a horse is heavier than a dog. Let us summarize our whole lesson what we have learned in today's class. Heavier or lighter? The things are heavier or lighter when we compare the two things at a time. But what we found? What are the things that are heavy? Watermelon, lock, jar, car, drum, gift box and a horse. And what are the things that are light? An apple, key, glass, bicycle, bucket, feather and a duck. Student, you also try to find out what are the things that are heavy or what are the things that are light in your surrounding. Note down it in your math copy. Thank you.